Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the keyboard settings. So normally we'll be facing a problem like whenever we enter letter S or letter A, whenever we enter letter A, it will come as Q, and whenever we enter letter Q, it will come as letter A. So this kind of problem we'll be facing sometimes. So today I'm going to show the solution how to get rid of this keyboard problem. Okay, so what you'll do is go here to type here to search and type as language settings. Okay, click on this language settings. So normally we'll be having the keyboards like QWERTY, DZW, DZDRTY, something like that. So here I have two languages here. So when I click on this, select this English and select on options, it is correct only QWERTY. But whenever when I click on this French and click on options, see, you can observe here as AZDRTY. So this is the thing through which we are facing the problem of when we are entering A, it is coming as Q. Okay, so what you will do is click on add a keyboard and select, for example, I'm selecting Canadian French Legacy and I'm removing this one, is a BRTY. Okay, click on back and try to enter the letter A once again. So when I'm clicking on A, it's coming as A. When I'm clicking on Q, it's coming as Q. So we have changed the settings successfully. Now I can type the letters correctly on my keyboard. So this is how we can get rid of this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.